So here is my directions for, I'm in the student view right now for how to record a Flipgrid video. So you click on the link under number 4 in the agenda today, and there's the assignment. You'll go down and you'll see that Flipgrid is down there, and what you want to do is, you've already read the assignment, so you know what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to talk about, in this one, how are you doing? And then also I can see Adrian's already in there, so he figured it out, which is awesome. Hopefully there's a picture of him in there, and we'll see. But it says record a response. And so you want to get yourself centered up on the camera, right? And this is first thing in the morning for me, so I've left Club Woods for just a moment, and but here I am. And so get myself centered and then hit the red button, and 3, 2, 1. Hey everybody, I'm good. Not really. I'm having some struggles here. Okay, I haven't even showered or worked out or anything yet today, but yeah. So I've read To Kill a Mockingbird many, many times, although I'm in my reread up in the chapter, I think, 24. I don't have any questions about the book because I have so many thoughts about the book. It's kind of incredible. You can see my green screen behind me right there. Now I'm going to end this because this is just an example. It's nothing but an example. All right, so click there. Now you can go to the next to publish this video. Okay, when you go to the next to publish the video, you can add more video over here, or you can just go on. Okay, you take a snapshot of yourself, and then that snapshot of yourself is what will appear in the actual window. Okay, so here's my snapshot of myself. Beautiful. Okay, hit next. Says don't close. Okay, and this is a test. Student view. Bingo. Okay, I could put my email address in there. You don't really have to. All right. There you go. I already actually hit. Congratulations. There we go. All right, do I want that selfie? Of course not. You could also download the video to your computer if you wanted to. There's a link right there. But you are done. Okay, you submitted this assignment. All right, that's really all you have to do. It's that easy. Okay, so I'm looking forward to seeing your videos. That's all you need to do. Great.